Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Vega hair straightener. Before you begin any repair work, always ensure your straightener is unplugged from the power source. Safety is paramount, so let it cool down completely to prevent any accidental burns. Having the right tools, such as a small screwdriver set and a multimeter, will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Many issues stem from the power cord. Carefully examine the entire length of the cord for any signs of wear, fraying, or cuts. Also, take a close look at the plug itself for bent prongs or any looseness. If you have a multimeter, you can test the cord for continuity to confirm if it's delivering power effectively. A damaged cord often requires replacement for safe operation. If your straightener isn't heating, the problem might be with the heating element or thermostat. Gently open the casing, usually with small screws, to expose the internal parts. Look for any visible damage on the heating plates, like cracks or unusual discoloration. A multimeter can help you test the resistance of the heating element and the functionality of the thermostat, guiding your repair efforts. Sometimes, issues arise from the heating plates themselves or their sensors. Make sure the plates are clean and align perfectly when closed, as uneven heating can occur otherwise. Remove any hair or product buildup that might be preventing proper contact. Also, locate and inspect the temperature sensors. Ensure they are securely connected and free from damage, as they regulate the straightener's heat output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.